Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to save streams on Twitch on mobile. So the first thing to do is to go to your Google Play Store and type Twitch. And all you have to do is to install this application, wait for a couple of minutes, and then once done, you can now click open. Okay, so you have to register your valid email address here. So this is what it looks like. And once you're here, you have to click this profile icon at the top left corner and then click account settings. Now, once you're here, you have to go to community guidelines. Okay, tap community guidelines and then tap this two vertical lines here. Now scroll down to the very bottom until you see this privacy policy. Tap this one, privacy policy, and then here you have to click this three vertical lines again at the top right corner and then look for browse. Click browse. Wait for a few seconds as it is processing. So here you have to log in your account just in case that your account is lagged out. You have to log in again. Now, once you're logged in, you have to tap these three vertical lines here and go down, tap the stream. Okay, click stream, and then you can tap anywhere on the screen. So once you're here, you have to scroll down. Look for store past broadcast, which is this one. Make sure that this one is toggled on. As you can see, if you turn this one on, it will automatically save broadcast for up to 4 days. And then that's how easy it is to save streams on Twitch on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And see you again in our next videos.